Get ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the way my friend initiated the discussion on this issue, it appeared that he did not want to realize the gravity of the situation in the right perspective. Stop. He objected to the searches made of the refugees in Tamil Nadu, but he himself said that arms had been recovered from them and he was speaking against it. Stop. I am of the view that it is basically a question of law and order which Tamil Nadu government has tried to solve in its own way, which to my mind is the correct one. Stop. We are aware that the conditions in Sri Lanka are quite difficult and also how a state of confrontation developed between the people of Tamil origin and the Sinhalese is stopped. I will come to that subject later on, but it is true that the situation in Sri Lanka is quite grim and about 1,50,000 people have migrated to India and are living in Tamil Nadu. Stop. We can very well imagine the burden which has fallen on the Tamil Nadu government or government of India, but this will have to be considered that the foreigners who flee to India either due to some crisis or as a result of atrocities committed on them have some responsibility. Stop. They should see that they do not disturb the peace and law and order of the country in which they take refugee and do not pose any challenge to the administration. Stop. We have been observing infighting among their different factions resulting in murder of one person. Stop. Keeping this in view, I think there was no other alternative before the Tamil Nadu government but to take stern action to maintain the law and order. Stop para change. Action taken by it has been praised by everyone, but it in no ways means that anyone in this country supports the action of the Sri Lankan government. Stop. It is true that ever since we got independence, say since 1950, differences between the Sinhalese majority and the Tamil majority have been surfacing and there have been clashes between the two communities. Stop. Later on, in 1956, with the declaration of the Sinhalese as the official language, there we are aware how the Tamil speaking people were discriminated against. Stop. All this resulted in riots, which after 2 years assumed serious proportions, resulting in heavy loss of life and property for both the communities. Stop. In addition to the language issue, Tamil's grievance regarding discrimination in the matter of job is also genuine. Stop. Even in areas like East and North province.